Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Mercedes Me Connect detailed guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Mercedes-Benz website or open the Mercedes Me app on your mobile device. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once the app is open, tap on Sign Up or Create Account. Provide the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Make sure to check your email for a verification link and click on it to activate your account. Log into your newly created account using your email and password. Next, select your vehicle from the list of available models. You may need to enter your vehicle identification number, VIN, to find it easily. After selecting your vehicle, you'll be prompted to agree to terms and conditions. Review the terms carefully and agree if you are comfortable proceeding. Now, navigate to the subscription options available for Mercedes Me Connect. Choose the service package that best meets your needs. Some options may include remote start, vehicle tracking, and maintenance alerts. You will be guided through the payment process, so prepare your payment information. Once payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation of your subscription. Open the Mercedes Me app again to access the features included in your subscription. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the various features and functionalities. Enjoy the convenience and connectivity that Mercedes Me Connect provides. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.